Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and verifying there's no voltage. Safety first. Once done, shut off both water valves and pull the plug. Remove the two rear top panel screws and slide the top off to expose the console. Take clear photos of the control board wiring and connector positions so you can rewire exactly. Make sure to label harnesses with tape and a marker. Now you're ready to unfasten the control board mounting screws and disconnect the wiring harnesses carefully. You'll continue by removing the board and transferring connections. First, loosen the mounting screws and lift the board from its plastic standoffs. Keep screws handy. Next, unlock ribbon and multi-pin connectors, lift the retaining tabs or pull straight out without bending pins. Compare the new board to the old one. Confirm jumper settings and firmware sticker if present. Once matched, position the replacement on standoffs, fasten screws, and reconnect each harness until you hear or feel the locking click. You finish by reassembling and testing the washer. Reinstall the top panel, tighten rear screws, open water valves, and plug the machine back in. Run the built-in diagnostic or a short wash cycle to confirm controls, dispenser, and motor respond correctly. If indicators show errors, power down, unplug, and reseat every connector. A loose harness is the most common fault. If issues persist, swap the original board back to confirm whether the replacement is defective or a wiring slip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.